Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a beautiful and functional wine box. First, let's gather our essential materials and tools. You will need sturdy wood planks such as pine or oak, a reliable saw for precise cuts, strong wood glue, and various grits of sandpaper. Don't forget a measuring tape, clamps to hold pieces securely, and a drill for any fasteners. Having these items ready ensures a smooth and enjoyable crafting experience from the very beginning. Now that you have your materials, it's time for precise cutting and assembly. Carefully measure and cut 4 side pieces and 1 bottom piece from your chosen wood. For a typical wine bottle, each side piece should be approximately 14 inches long and 4 inches wide. Apply a generous, even layer of wood glue to the edges where the pieces will join. Securely clamp the pieces together, ensuring they are square, and allow the glue to dry completely for a strong bond. With your wine box assembled, the next crucial step is sanding and finishing. Begin by thoroughly sanding all surfaces, starting with a coarse grit sandpaper, perhaps 80 grit, to remove any imperfections. Gradually move to finer grits, like 120 and then 220, for a silky smooth feel. Once sanded, wipe away all dust. You can then apply a wood stain or paint to achieve your desired aesthetic, followed by a protective clear coat for durability. Finally, it's time to add those personal touches that make your wine box truly unique. Consider incorporating a hinged lid or a sliding top for elegant access to the bottle. You might also engrave a custom design, a monogram, or a heartfelt message onto the wood. For extra protection, line the interior with soft felt or cork. Your beautifully handcrafted wine box is now ready to hold a special bottle or be presented as a thoughtful, personalized gift for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.